Hi crafty friends, Lace here, Cheeky Bum. So I got a new journal in today, a new like planner journal thingamabob, and this is from Conquest Journals, and I just thought I would unbox it with you because I opened the box and I was like, ooh, I should just do a video real quick in case you guys are interested. This is a site, I found it was an Instagram ad. I really wanted the Harry Potter Happy Planner journal or planner, but it was just, I just didn't know if I wanted to spend that much money on it because I'm just kind of, I have a planner that I write down like my daily list of things I need to accomplish, or if I have appointments and stuff like that. But other than that, I just don't do one. I used to do bullet journaling way back in time, and I haven't done that in a long time, and I just don't feel like I have time for that. Like I could do that, but that would take away from my crafty time. So I thought that this might be a little bit of both worlds, that I could, write down my daily, activities that I need to do, but also have fun and play with it and be able to use stickers and stamps and stuff like that. So that's what I got. But on top here, I think are some freebies that I didn't order. So there's some stickers here. These stickers are kind of not stuck on very well, or some of them anyway. Just the Snape ones, poor Snape. And they have all the shred on the back, so but anyway, cute little stickers. And then there's this, I don't know what this is. Let's see what this is. So this is, oh, like little, almost like a little traveler's notebook type of thing that I could probably use in my planner, or, I could do some traveling, like literal traveler's notebook style scrapbooking in these, because there's two, and I've been to each Universal's, Orlando and LA, or whatever they call it out there. I don't know. It's not really in LA, is it? I don't know. Hollywood. I don't know. But I've been to both, but I've also been to the London studio as well. But these are really cool. I'm excited for that. And everything was packaged really, really well. Look at all that box. And then this is the one I got. They did have a couple other ones. They did have a disc bound one, but I got this one because I definitely like to open it up and play with it a lot. So I decided to go with the bound one. So let me open this real quick. I'm really impressed. I did get there was some kind of deal going on. I think I only paid $15 for this, right around there. I don't know. I don't think it was like a Black Friday sale, because I feel maybe it was. I'm trying to think of when I ordered this, but I want to say it's only been like a week maybe. And it was right around $15 on sale. And that's what kind of spurred me to get it. So I was like, oh, all right, why not? Let's get that. But this is what the cover looks like. I love a good, pop out little divider thing. I could definitely put stickers on this. I could put vinyl on this. I could put a lot of different things. So I like that. And it's nice and thick. Look at how the pages are. They're so gorgeous. And I did like this because it did have like bullet journaling aspects to it. And I did like that everything I can label myself. So it's not a preset month, year, time, anything like that. So if for any reason I decide this year I just can't do it or whatever, and I put it aside, I could pull this out in next year or in 2 years and be able to use it and it not go to waste. So I don't mind that. I know some people don't like to have to write in everything. They want it all done for them, but I don't mind it. I have plenty of stickers, so I don't even have to write much. I can just use stickers and stamps and do all that fun stuff. I'm gonna have to search and look for some Harry Potter stamps. I have regular like planning stamps. Like I said, I used to do like bullet journaling and stuff like that. So I have planner stamps. I do have a couple like Happy Planner sticker books and stuff like that. So everything looks pretty standard. I don't think there's really much difference, like the dividers maybe, but I think within each, yeah, within each divider it all kind of looks the same. Yeah. So just the dividers that are different. They're really pretty though. I like the look of them. Gryffindor. Defense Against the Dark Arts. I kind of like that it's not like overly illustrated, and I can really kind of do what I want with it. So my planners are like my journals too. I'm not a big journal writer as much as I would love to. I'm just not. But I keep every year, like, I don't know, I have probably like the last 10 or 12 years worth of yearly planners that I can go back in and look at, because I'll like write stuff, notes, and you know, other little things. So I do keep those mainly for myself. So I think that this one would be really fun. But I wanted to share with you real quick, just in case you're thinking of it, or if you've seen the ads on Instagram. I definitely think it's worth it, especially if you're still able to get the sale. Like I said, I paid like $14 or $15 for this, and I think it's worth that, every penny. I don't remember how much it was not on sale, honestly. But in the back, it even has sticker sheets to help you with your planning or just jazz stuff up. I do have quite a few other like Harry Potter sticker books. I really wanted to do like a Harry Potter junk journal, and I feel like this might be like my segue into it. I can really play with each page or each month and add stuff to it without doing a separate junk journal. And if I really like it this year, then maybe next year I will start my own Harry Potter junk journal. So that is my plan anyway. And see, yeah, it has a lot of the stickers. It just doesn't have the numbers for each month. Like, it has the monthly stickers for these, and to start, like, you know, here and here, but actually it doesn't have the days. No, it doesn't. It just has the month stickers. But like I said, I have planners and stamps and stickers, so I think that this could be a lot of fun. So if you have any questions, let me know. I'll link this down below, so if you're interested, I would definitely scoop it up, especially if it's still on sale. I think that it's a good buy. I thought about purchasing some other stuff, but I really wanted, because I had never purchased from them before, I really wanted to see what the quality was and if I would like it before purchasing more. But like I said, they do have like a Happy Planner style ring, or have like a disc planner. They have other just journals, notebooks. They have all kinds of stuff, but I wanted to play or see what it would be like before I ordered more. But I'm pretty happy with this. And like I said, I could pull this out in 2 years if I didn't want to use it this year, and still be able to use it. So I might go back and look and see if they're still having the sale, and maybe possibly ordering some other ones. They don't just have Harry Potter. They have other fandoms and other things too. So go check them out. And if you have any questions, let me know below. But if not, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.